Welcome to AI Streetz. Welcome. Today I want to talk to you about something mind-blowing. And that thing is digital papers. Digital papers. You see on my background, I have a digital paper right there. I'm going to show you in this video how to create digital papers with AI and how to monetize it also. But I'm also going to show you um, different shop who sell digital papers and how they make a lot of money with it. I love selling digital things. I sell SVGs, Canva templates, and all those things. And I know the money that's in it. You create it once and you sell it over and over. So I'm going to show you how to create a digital products, how to monetize it. 3 ways how to monetize it. You will love it. You will love it. That's why you need to watch this whole video. You will love it for sure. Let's go to some Etsy shops and see the amazing work they've done with digital papers and how you can do it too. One of the amazing digital papers shop on Etsy is Digital Courier. I've personally ordered stuff from Digital Courier. Her stuff are amazing. Look, she sells only digital papers. She has over 5,000, almost 6,000 listings, and look at her sales. Almost 1 million sales. Okay, and her papers are 427, but with 40% discount you get it for 256. Let's go to another shop. This shop for sure is not a six-figure shop. It is $1 million shop, because when you have these sales, this amount of sales, and one sale is not only one file. One sale can be 10 files, because the first time I went here I bought like 5 files in one hit. So when you check this, for sure it's $1 million shop. Only digital papers and seamless pattern at that. Seamless patterns all over. You see here, seamless patterns, seamless patterns. Let's go to another shop. This is another shop I went to. And it's also selling digital papers, seamless patterns all over. Seamless patterns, seamless patterns. Look at that. Seamless patterns. And let's check how much this shop could be making. Let's go to Google. 63,000 sales, and let's check the price. Let's check the price really quick. Normally it's 550, but they do it 70% off, maybe with the holidays. Okay, let's go to Google. 63,000 times 550 is 346,500. Okay, this is for this is what the shop makes. Okay, let's go to how old this shop is. Okay, it started in 2017, in January 2000. So it's already 6 years old. Divided by 6 is $57,750. Okay, and this is for per year. And then we divide it by 12. You can see how much they make per month. You see that? Almost 5,000 a month. Who doesn't want that? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to design seamless patterns in AI and how to monetize it too. So stay and watch it. I have 3 ways for you how to monetize it. Stay and watch this video and you will see how to do it. To design the images we are talking about, to create the repetitive pattern like the tile pattern, we are going to use Discord.com. We're going to use AI, and this AI is called Midjourney, and it lives on the Discord.com platform. You go to Discord.com, okay? You sign in for an account. It is free. And after you sign in for that account, you go back to Midjourney.com. You go to Midjourney.com, and then you've joined the beta. Okay, you need to accept the invite right here, and then you're in the system, and you can come over here, direct messages, and then you can join the Midjourney bot. So that's how you create it. If you want to, you can subscribe to the different subscription levels that they have. Okay, that you do on the midjourney.com website. Okay. Yeah, we're talking about repetitive patterns about tiles and everything like that. First thing, let's go to setting. Go to your settings. In here you have to be on the latest version of Midjourney. Right here is 5.2. And for stylize, I put it on high because I want high quality images. Not very high, put it on high so that you can get images that come out really well. Okay. Okay, let's generate some images now, right? Dash, go to image prompt. I had diverse dogs, comma, and then I have dash dash style. Okay, let's run this. Okay, here are our dogs. They are cute. Let's go see in it. Wow. Okay, you see this ear is right here. This other part of the ear here. And this part here is up here. So it will make a great tile. Let's see here too. Okay, let's say we want to release this one. Okay, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is U1, this is U2. So this will be U3. Let's release that one. So it is released right here. We can click on it, open a browser, and then right click, save it as a PNG into your computer. Cute dogs, okay, and then save it. Let's say we want to create something else. Um, / imagine cute kawaii veggies dash dash style. Cute kawaii veggies. Okay, I'm gonna see how that will come out. Okay, here we are. We can see that this is really tight. This part here is this part. They are so cute. Let's go with this one. I'll take the third one too. So it will be U3. Okay, and then I'll right click, click one more time, open a browser to get it bigger. Then I will right click and save it into my computer. Okay, so we have 2 tiles now. Okay, now we have downloaded the pattern. Now we will go to a website called Photopea. Let's type it in. Photopea.com. Open it. It's just like Photoshop, but it's a free website online. You can go and use it. And we're going to use it. I'll go to File, Open, and we will choose our veggie from it. That will come in right here. Okay, here is our file. You can come to Image and go to Adjustment, and then you can move it to the side. We're going to make it a little bit brighter and contrast, make it nicer. Okay, I love it, and I'm going to click OK. I've added the color. I love the color now. Okay, now I'll go to File. We'll go to Export it as a PNG. Okay, the height, let's put it in the inch. Let's put it 15 by 15 inch. And then we're going to save it. Okay, now we have our file, and here is our file, and here is the first one, and here is the second one, the one that we have edited right here. So you can sell the file as a digital product. You can make more of it and then make a bundle of 10 and sell them for a price or as a digital download on Etsy. Okay, and also you can use it on print-on-demand websites. Let's check one of them. You can go to printify.com and open an account there. The good thing is you can synchronize, you can connect Printify with your Etsy shop. So when you create something in Printify, you can send it through to your Etsy shop and you can sell it there. And when someone purchases it, the order will come through Etsy and go into Printify and print it and send it to the customer. That's how amazing that is. Let's see mugs. Let's see what we can design in here. We can do mugs here. Let's bring the design in here. Okay. Okay, and duplicate it and bring it to the other side. See the preview again. Edit it a little bit. Okay, let's see our preview again. Okay, now it's amazing. You see that you can sell a whole mug with this design, repetitive design. Let's go to another website called Redbubble. Redbubble. Okay. You can create an account here also. And then you can start selling. When you add, and then you can start selling. Add artwork. Okay, you can upload your artwork here. And then after you upload your artwork, let's say upload our artwork right in here. It will go to different products. And then you will choose which one you want. Okay, let's see this pillow right here. We can add it to this pillow by choose you see, like regular grid, and it become a whole bag or a whole tile. You see that? And then we can it's on disabled, we can enable it, and now we can have it on the pillow. Okay, you see that? Now we can sell it on the pillow because it's a repetitive pattern. Let's go. You choose what you want to sell it. Let's say here this is disabled, but we're gonna enable it and edit it. Okay, it's a tablet tablet case. You can come down here and choose regular grid, and it will tile it up for you. Apply changes. Okay, and it will come to the whole thing, and then you can sell it from here. Let's go find blankets. Oh, let's enable this blanket, and we're gonna edit. Okay, let's edit. Choose pattern, regular grid. Okay, you see that, and apply the changes, and then we have a whole vegetable blanket. So you come in here and then you can tile your work up. This is a button. I love it. It's cute. You can come in here and tile up everything. After you choose your work, what you want, then you can save your work. It's not mature content and all that. You agree that it's your image, and then you can save your work and sell on here. One of the places that you can also sell your tile designs is spoonflower.com. You can go to spoonflower.com and create a shop. You can join right here. You can upload your design right here in Spoonflower. Upload my design really quick. This is my design. Check the box that I own the right to the design. Upload it. Okay, here is the file. You can see this. We had only one file like this, and then you tile it up, and then you can sell it as fabric here on Spoonflower. So creating tiles and sell it is the easiest way to do, easiest one. But one thing about with Spoonflower, you have to purchase a test swatch every time you create a fabric and you want to sell it. You need to purchase a test swatch 8x8, and then you check it if it's good, and then you can put it for sale. You can come here and check the box that you want to sell it. This is one of the ways to how to use AI to create money for you. So one of them is the digital product, like the digital paper. You can create a lot of these ones here. You can create different ones of this right here. Just like here, you can have different ones. You can bundle them up in groups of like 10, and you can sell them on Etsy. You can sell them on with print on demand, like on mugs, on other stuff that you can also sell fabrics on Spoonflower like I showed you. So these are not only the 3 ways, there are more ways to sell these files online and make money. This is the easiest one. These are easy to create. You put what you want to create, add dash dash style in your prompt, and let it run, and you will see that you will get a repetitive patterns like this one. This dog here, his other part of the face is here. This dog nose, the other part is right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please share it. Let me know in the comment section if it helped you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you. And more is coming. Thank you so much. Bye.